Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to MT Paradise. So we got another awesome Hot Wheel unboxing. It's not a big case, and as you can see, this RLC Datsun 240Z sitting here looks absolutely amazing. This came out, I believe, in 2011, and the reason this is here is because there's a all-new Datsun 240Z. It's a 72 Datsun, and here's the box. This is from the RLC, the Red Line Club, and we're gonna go ahead and unbox it. This literally just came in, so I'm going to go ahead and open it up here, and we're going to check it out. But this thing looks absolutely amazing from all the pictures I've seen. This is the first time I'm seeing it in person, but here we go. Alright, so it is not numbered, which is a little unfortunate. There's a lot of cars such as this one, where you see right there it's out of 25,000, and obviously a very limited, and it's like a numbered car. This one, as you can see, is not numbered, but it's still pretty awesome, pretty rare. There's the packaging right there, and if you guys want to read that, you can pause that and read it. Let me get it in focus for you. But then there's the top of the box. But let's go ahead and open this at the same time, and wow, that looks absolutely amazing. Dang. Okay, this thing is really cool. Wow. Yeah, they definitely changed it up quite a bit. This one's more of like a silver chrome, whereas this one's a gold chrome. But you got that matte black on there as well. And I'm going to go ahead and pull off the acrylic case so we can see it a lot better. But yeah, I think this looks absolutely incredible. Yeah, sorry, I'm a little excited. The first time seeing this thing in person, so I really want to see what this thing looks like when it's opened up, though. I'm trying not to fingerprint or scratch up the acrylic case here. All right, let me go ahead and take this off. There's a little clear plastic piece that just kind of sits in there, but wow, this thing looks incredible. There it is up close. Let me know what you guys think of this car. This looks absolutely amazing here. You got that red roll cage up on the inside. Those wheels look really nice as well. There's like the back end of it. Man, that is an amazing Hot Wheel right there. And then this one, the hood is actually up. So let's flip this over and open up the hood. See, it's a little firm. There we go. Wow, that's really cool. You can see the engine in there. It says Datsun right across the top. You got that 00 on the side. BRE Datsun there. Wow. This car looks absolutely incredible. License plate number is XOXO. Got that roll cage in the back. Got some other sponsors on the back side here. Man, let me know down in the comments down below what you guys think of this car. I actually do have a few of these coming in, so if you guys would like to pick one up, I'm actually going to be having them on my Mercari page. It is a website where you can buy and sell stuff. There's going to be a link in the description down below. You guys can go create an account. It's absolutely free. Using my link, you guys will be able to get some money back whenever you make your first purchase. And then whenever you sell enough stuff, you also get even more money back. It's like up to $30 for free. So definitely go sign up. And if you guys want to pick up one of these, I'm definitely going to be having it listed on there. And this is definitely a really cool collector item. And yeah, I love this. And then let's set it right here. And then kind of do like a side-by-side of like the previous one. So you see they're both chrome, but this new one just looks incredible. The other one actually does have a roll cage in it as well. You can see it right there. It's silver. But man, these look incredible. I just absolutely love this combo. Like, that is amazing. But if you guys like this video, definitely go down, hit that like button down below. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. I do have a lot more RLC cars coming in. Like this car, I will be doing videos on this. Being in the acrylic case, I can carefully take it apart without like breaking anything, without destroying any of the packaging. It's just two little plastic tabs that just kind of pop off, and then the whole top just comes apart. But like I said, link description down below to go check out Macari. But like, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.